Sweet, spicy, and super fresh. This homemade mango salsa is the perfect summer bite. All you need are fresh juicy mangoes, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, coriander, chili, and a splash of lime. Start by peeling the mango and carefully removing the skin, then slice the flesh into small, even cubes. Next, take your cucumber and slice it lengthwise. Remove the seeds, then cut it into small, even dices. Transfer the diced cucumber into a bowl along with the mango. Take your fresh chilies and slice them thinly if you like it extra spicy. Leave the seeds in. Next, take your cherry tomatoes and carefully cut each one into quarters. These juicy pieces will add vibrant color and a tangy flavor to your mango salsa. Slice the lime into wedges or halves and set them aside. You'll use the fresh lime juice later to its zest. Chop the fresh coriander leaves finely to release their fragrant aroma. Now, add a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your salsa. Squeeze in fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. And if you like a bit of sweetness, add a small amount of sugar. Mix everything thoroughly so all the ingredients blend into a perfectly balanced, delicious mango salsa. Now, your mango salsa is ready to serve. Spoon it into serving bowls, or serve alongside crunchy chips or warm tacos. This salsa is the perfect addition to any meal or snack. Time to dig in and enjoy every bite of your fresh, zesty mango salsa. So simple, so good. Store any leftovers in an airtight container and keep in the fridge for a maximum of 1 day. Save this video and follow for more.